Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basic prerequisites. The HomePod is plugged in and powered, and your iPhone or iPad is on the same Apple ID. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled on your device so provisioning can start. Once done, unlock your iPhone and hold it next to the HomePod. You'll see a setup card appear. Tap Continue to transfer settings. This moves network credentials and Apple ID data securely to the HomePod, so it can join the correct Wi-Fi network. Next, continue the on-screen configuration to choose the Wi-Fi network if prompted and confirm your HomePod's room location. You might be asked to allow use of your Apple ID and iCloud keychain. This is how the HomePod pulls saved Wi-Fi credentials automatically. Make sure Siri settings and personal requests are set the way you prefer, since they affect functionality. Once you accept, the setup transfers the necessary settings. The HomePod will restart and attempt to join the network you provided. To finish, wait for the HomePod's white pulsing light to turn solid and listen for the chime that confirms a successful connection. Then test Siri or play audio. If it fails to connect, make sure your router supports 4 GHz/5 GHz bands and restart both the router and the HomePod. Often a simple power cycle clears DHCP or interference issues. If problems persist, reset the HomePod by unplugging, waiting 10 seconds, plugging back in and holding the top until it signals reset, then repeat setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.